Hello students, so today we are going to find the unit of rate constant from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. Okay, so suppose you have a reaction. I will start with. So suppose we have a reaction A which is giving some product P. For this reaction, how will you write the rate? The R is equal to K concentration of A raised to the power N, as we are not knowing the order of reaction. Now in place of R, we can write dx by dt, am I correct? And is equal to K. What is A? A is also concentration whose power N. In place of dx is what? It is a concentration, right? So the unit will be mole per liter. For dt, T is the time, this will be second inverse divided by this A raised to the power N is equal to K. In this way, we can find the unit. For example, for this A, we will write mole liter inverse second inverse divided by, this is also concentration, mole per liter raised to the power N. Now, when you are taking this in the numerator, what we can write? We can write mole, this is 1 minus N liter, N minus 1 second inverse for the unit of rate constant. So basically, this is the general formula for calculating the unit of rate constant of any order. If example, if we are going to calculate the unit of rate constant for a zero order reaction, so for zero order, what is the N? N will be 0. Now substitute the value of N. What you are getting? You will get it as unit as mole. 1 minus 0 is 1. Liter minus 1 second inverse. For example, if we are talking about the first order, so for first order, what will be the value of N? N will be 1. So what will be the unit? Unit will be second inverse. We can write it as second inverse because 1 minus N is 0, N minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So we are getting, so in this way we can calculate the unit of rate constant for any reaction. Okay, thank you.